reception! For today's maths activity, we are going to make Swedish pancakes. You're probably wondering why Swedish pancake? Why not French or Italian or maybe American? Well, Miss Ira is also Swedish. What is Swedish? Well, Swedish is what you call the people that live in Sweden. So, where is Sweden in the map? Let's take a look. Okay, children, I'm going to show you where Sweden is on the map. This is the world map. This is Italy. And the neighboring countries of Italy are Germany, France, and there's Spain. And then there is Sweden. Sweden is right next to Norway. So, there you go, children. Now you know. So, reception, when I lived in Sweden, I was so crazy about Swedish pancakes. I just love Swedish pancakes. That's why today I chose to make Swedish pancakes. So, what do we have to do first when we are going to make Swedish pancakes? Well, first, we need to buy the ingredients. Ingredients, children, are the things we need to make the Swedish pancake. Let me show you what we need. Eggs, butter, sugar, flour, vanilla, a measuring cup, a tablespoon and a teaspoon, a blender. Okay, children, do you want to come with me to the supermarket to buy all of the ingredients? All right, let's go. Children, we now have all of the ingredients for our Swedish pancake. But before we start, I would like you to watch and listen carefully and also take note of how much of each ingredient did we put and then what will happen to the amount of each ingredient if we put or add one more to it. Are you ready? First, we put 2 scoops of flour into the blender, 2 tablespoons of butter. Put the butter in the microwave for maybe 30 seconds to melt it. Then you can add 3 cups of milk, 1, 2, and 3. Then put a teaspoon of vanilla and half a teaspoon of add the 3 eggs together, 1, 2, 3 eggs. And then you add the melted butter. Then you add 5 teaspoons of sugar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are ready to blend. Now we are going to turn on the blender. And whoosh! And now we're cooking the pancake. Yummy pancakes! So children, can you make your own pancake now?